Hello everyone, my name is Miss Trout. I am the middle school art teacher, and this video is all about how to clean up in the art classroom. So when the teacher tells you it's time to clean up, this should be a really good step-by-step guide, no matter what materials you were using, so that you can leave when the bell rings. Otherwise, everybody has to stay and help out. Hopefully this video is super helpful, and thank you for being here. Once you hear the bell, or the gong, or the call and response, you stop, you listen, and I'll most likely tell you the steps that you need to take that day, depending on the materials we were using, in order for you to clean up properly. Step one is always putting away your artwork.
So this is what not to do. Wow, this took me 45 whole minutes. I don't think Miss Trout needs this. Yeet!
And this is what you should do with your artwork. I remember Miss Trout saying that when my work was done, I'm supposed to make sure my name is on it and put it in the box that matches the period of my art class. So I'm in period 4, I'm gonna put it in the period 4 drawer.
Step 2, or technically 3, I kind of lost track. Anyways, this step means you need to clear off your tables. Everything on top of your table needs to be put away. Any art materials such as markers, colored pencils, rulers, scissors, tape, glue, paint palettes, brushes, cups, anything like that, it needs to be put away where it belongs. In just a moment, I'm going to show you exactly what that needs to look like. And don't forget, look underneath your table too.
This is what not to do. This is what to do.
What? I didn't do anything. This is what not to do with your paint palette.
This is what you should be doing with your paint palette.
Once you've put away all the materials, and possibly even cleaned them as well in the sink, you need to wipe down the tables. This can be done with wet wipes or a sponge, as long as you dry it off at the end if it gets a little bit too wet. This is very important because whatever materials or mess you made on your table could potentially ruin the next class's projects when they come to lay it down. Please make sure that all of the mess that you've made on your table is cleaned up, and double check the chairs too, just in case.
This is the wrong way to clean a table.
This is the right way to clean a table, with a wet wipe
Or a sponge.
All right, next step. Hopefully you're counting. You need to stack or push in your chair. If any of the chairs in the classroom are pulled out like this, please be a good teammate. Walk around the room, double check that they are all pushed in.
At the end of class, either push in your chair or stack it like this. Not like that.
And the very last step, please make sure that you stand behind your pushed in chair or your stacked chair, wherever you are in the classroom, until the bell rings. Don't line up at the door. The door gets quite anxious and it scares the door. Please stand behind your stacked chair, and then when you hear the bell ring, you can go.